In today's video, I will walk you through how to make an organizational chart in Google Sheets. Start by creating 3 columns in your Google Sheet: Employee, Position, and Reports to. In the Employee column, enter each person's name. In Position, add their job title. In Reports to, type the name of the manager or supervisor they report to. If someone is at the top of the chart, leave that cell blank. Once your table is ready, click anywhere inside the data, go to the top menu, click Insert, then select Chart. Google Sheets will create a default chart automatically. On the right side, the chart editor will open. Click Chart Type, then scroll down and select Organizational Chart. Your chart will update instantly. Make sure the correct data range is selected. Your chart should include the Employee, Reports to, and Position columns. The Position column can also be used as a tooltip if needed. If the chart looks too small, drag the corners to resize it and move it anywhere on the sheet. If something looks wrong, check the names in the Reports to column for missing or misspelled entries. And that's how to make an organizational chart in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching the video.